Yeah,
hey, buddy.
You're whaling. Woo!
He is swimming.
I think it scared the shit out of me. Yeah!
Come on, buddy.
Oh, yeah, buddy. You're doing laps, huh?
He's just going around
You're doing laps non-stop.
and around.
And lucky you're out here. Hold on, let him come.
Now there's something you don't
buddy.
see every day.
Dude, I'm
He is gripping, dude. He is gripping. Just put him down, dude. Put him on the sidewalk and let him go.
Put him on the edge over there.
Oh, he's growling. Look at him.
Dude, hurry up before he gets fucking wrong. Go over there. Turn it off, right?
Dude, no. Just fucking put him on the cement and let him walk away, dude. Seriously. He's scared, dude.
Go. He's playing dead. That's what he's doing. Is he really?
Yeah.
He's playing dead.
They say they do that.
Yeah. He's breathing through his mouth. Go. Go. Yeah. Go, buddy. Yeah. Go, buddy. The swimming possum. You can do it. He's playing dead. We know you're alive.
We know you're alive, my friend.
We saw you. I rescued you.
Watch him come attack me. They playing dead the possum.
We're gonna stay here until you move, so better move soon.
He's playing dead.
You're drying up. Alright, is that enough?
Do you ever feel like this? Hang on, hang on. Just hanging on for dear life. Quinn's here.
Okay. There you go. There we go. There we go.
Don't let him drop. Dude.
Come on, go. 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 There we go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
Oh no!
No!
No! That's a good save.
There you go.
Yay!
Cool, buddy. You need to dry.
That's so funny. That's a cute picture right here. He's just hanging on the fence.
Don't go back